Alright guys, we are here for volume 194 December Raffle prize draw. Alright, can you please pick a name?
Yeah, no.
Name, man, we need a prize, so we need Zuli Elf to pick a prize. Pick one, please. This one? Alright.
A present.
Yeah.
I like presents like that.
Yeah. Diamonds and Washi is getting a $10 gift card.
Yay, boy!
Alright, here, next you pick a prize. Alright, and Julie, you want to pick a name? Okay, I'll pick it. Alright. Gwendolyn Monroe will get a. Okay, BBL. He's getting a Diamond Shop Diamond Paperweight. Congratulations! Gwendolyn Monroe. Alright. Pick a name, please. Yeah, let's put that back. Okay. Don't mix it up. Alright. Pick a prize. How about you? Pick a prize. Oh. A present again. Wow. Demi Nage. Dewey Nage. I'm sorry if I'm murdering these names. Dewey Nage is getting a $20 gift card. Congratulations. Alright, Julie. Alright. Name pick. This one. Alright, thank you. And prize pick. Alright. Thank you. Oh, what is it getting? Oh, yeah. Kelly Ramirez is getting a $30 gift card. Gifts. They're all gifts. Alright. You got a name? Okay, Rocket. Pick the prize again. Let's shuffle this up. Alright. Which one? Alright. Raxify is getting a. Raxify is getting a bro. Congratulations. Alright, Rocket, pick the name, please. Julie. Zombie baby elf. Pick a prize, please. Okay, baby elf, pick a prize. Alright. Alright. This next name is Nancy Aline. Nancy Aline is getting a heart-shaped best friends necklace that splits 4 ways. Congratulations! Alright, pick another name, please. Lily, please pick a prize. Alright, thank you. Alright. Jamie Hughes Garten is getting a white spray sanitizer. Congratulations! Alright, pick a prize, Rocket. And I'll pick a name.
Who's the last one?
White sanitizer spray.
Sino?
See Jamie Garten. Q's Jamie Garten. Alright, Nicole Sheehan is getting a mystery gift. Congratulations. Nicole Sheehan. Thank you. Alright, I need to get the gift. Alright, the raffle. You wanna pick a prize? Wait. Alright. One. Alright. A $20 gift card, discount coupon for Jennifer T. 20% discount coupon. Jennifer T. Congratulations. Alright. Roxy. Rocket. Shuffle. Alright. Yeah. Price, please. Alright. A beads container for Darlene Singer. Congratulations. And that's it for volume 194. Catch you again on the next one. Bye.